So we got our Duranautic. I was this 14 foot? 14 foot? I think 14 foot Duranautic. I think so, right? I don't remember how much it was. Would you take a shower? Your hair's all wet.
No, I just did my hair because it was fluffy.
You did your hair?
I just put water on it.
You put water on here? That's doing your hair?
Well, that's better than it being fluffy, is it?
Is that for the camera? You did your hair?
No, I didn't even know we were going to record. It's just I looked in the mirror and it was like just standing straight up.
So we got a 14 foot Duranautic here with some rotten floors. We'll go over what they look like in a second. We'll look at them now. We're missing the floor right in there. And then all of these, if we look, it's all rotten. So we're going to replace all those. And actually the transom over here is all rotted out. You can see, you put your finger in there. So we're going to replace that. But today we're just going to start with this nice simple one in here. We got Fabio over here with his hair all done up.
What, would you rather have it like standing straight up?
I don't know. So we're going to cut these strips. This is like the ancient Egyptians did to build the pyramids. They cut strips. And then we'll lay the strips in to make a template. They actually have that so they could do countertops.
Wow.
Yeah, not the Egyptians.
Not the Egyptians?
Not the Egyptians. All right, so we're going to have Mikey cut up some strips. And then I will show you how we'll lay these in.
How do I open this again?
Push down and forward. Oof, look at that. There you go.
I kind of...
Follow the line. Follow the line. We need them straight. Watch your fingers. Yeah. Slow and easy. Slow and easy. Easy.
Oh, it's stuck on the board.
It's only foam. Don't worry about it. There you go. Yeah, that's it. Perfect. Yeah, it's
not very perfect.
Well, you're not very precise. That's why.
I'm sorry.
It's not. So what we'll do is we're going to lay these in. Let's see. Lay them in, hot glue them up, make our template, and then we're going to cut it out of some marine grade plywood.
I don't know. I'm not very good at this.
Oh, you know, maybe some practice, you'll get better. Maybe with some.
I didn't cut it on.
Oh boy. Struggle's real.
Yeah.
All right, so now you can bring those strips over. Put them on the seat. You can go on the other. You got it. Whatever side, doesn't matter. And what we'll do is we're going to lay them in. Right, and make a template. So go on the other side.
All right.
Because this one is going to have to we'll try to use the straight edges of them. Push it up to the edge of the boat. Okay, we'll grab the hot glue gun. Okay, make sure it's tight. Good. Where you want it. Okay. So then you might be able to grab your knife, and then you have to cut pieces to fit the edges. And you see how like it starts to make the outline of everything?
Yeah.
Have that piece right there? No. What the foam piece? Really? Terminal? Thing for a battery terminal?
Maybe you wanted it.
Well, why would I want that?
Why isn't it even...
clearly, we're only working with foam pieces.
Wait, why isn't it on the battery?
Because there's already terminals on the battery. It's just a little cover so that when you buy it and take it off, they know that you use the battery.
Wow.
And it protects the end. All right, we'll let that sit for a little bit. So there's our template. And we'll drag the plywood out. I guess we'll put the plywood on some sore horses. So we'll get that. What we'll do is slide the template whatever way is easiest to get it out. Tilt it. Yep. Got it?
Yeah.
There you go. Just like, yeah, support it so that doesn't... There you go. Now bring it over to the wood. What are we going to cut it with?
Yeah.
I don't know. What should we cut it with?
It's a very faint pencil.
Well, I'm going to get it. We have this device. It's a level created by Artinius Level. Did you know that?
Is his name really Artinius Level?
Yes, that was his name, Artinius Level. Oh, it's not what his name was.
That was a stutter.
It's a good template. Look at that.
Wow.
That's nice.
Proud of yourself, aren't you?
I am proud of myself. It came out good. We can use a circular saw to go across there. I mean, we could technically use my track saw, which would probably be the best. It'll give us the best lines. You want to use the track saw?
Sure.
I mean, or we could just use a regular circular saw.
I haven't learned about track saw yet.
Yeah, you want to see the track saw?
Yeah, I don't even know what
yeah,
that is.
because it's probably easier on the track saw. Here, get on the other side of that piece of wood.
All right.
And this is gonna lay down onto the foam. So with the track saw, it's got a track and a
saw.
See?
Wow.
But you can see you could put it right on the lines, and you see you get like a perfectly straight line.
And what if it moves?
It doesn't move. It's got like a grip pad underneath. Perfect. And then all you do is you take the saw. You see it rides on the track.
Where does it cut?
It cuts right next to it. Here, let's do it from the edge. That's lined up on the line over there. So all you do is you push. There you go. Would you like to do that?
Yeah, so I just stand on the
You
wood?
can stand on it. I don't care. Good. Down. Good. All the way down. And now go. Keep go. That's good. Good. There you go. And now, can you move the sawhorses closer together?
What?
Sawhorses closer together. Now we can just cut out the other pieces with a smaller saw. So you're gonna have to get the front up here first. So pull it out. Now go, yeah, like that. Slide it all the way in. Oh, snap. Look at that. Wow, push on that side. Is it all the way in? Look at that. That's pretty good, huh? Man. Pretty smart, huh? You see that?
Yeah.
Now we got to coat it with the epoxy so it doesn't...
That's boring.
Well, what are you going to do? It's got to get done.
I guess.
We got to get it out now.
Oh, it's not going to be easy.
So, like, I wonder... Oh, you almost got it. I'm going to have to get something to get in there.
Get your fat fingers under there.
Yeah, you know why? It's getting cut.
It's actually stuck on the bolt. So if you could, move that bolt, the bolt on your side. I have it up. It's breaking, Dad.
No, that's fine. Watch your fingers. That's called reliefing. It's reliefing itself. All right, can you, I guess we could pull it out this way, right?
Yeah, just pull it out that way. I don't think it really matters.
So you see, like, we'll just clean up like some of these like straight ends there. So I'll get a sander. We can do that. I think we'll just use the squeegee.
Really?
Oh, and I have a crappy brush. Whoa, look at that. All right, so one part. So if you look at this, see it says like 1 to 1. So you can fill it up 1 to 1. It's science, right? Just hold the pail. It said 3 to 5 minutes or until streaks are gone. Yeah, mix it a little more. Yeah. I think it's fine.
Think it's fine?
Yeah. This is from Amazon. It's not the typical stuff we use.
I thought this was from Total Boat.
Normally it is, but I bought it because I was going to do this one day and then I ended up doing another. I think it's fine. I mean, if it should be fine, right?
I think so, right?
I think so. Well, if we use a squeegee, right? Let's go like this. You remember? Yeah, we didn't need this much.
What?
So we probably didn't need this much. And you're just gonna keep squeegeeing it back and forth.
Got
it? Yeah, and like, yeah, try to spread it out more and more. I'll use the brush and get the edges. Not like it really matters, but because it's gonna get like a carpet over it. I don't know if we'll do a carpet, like something.
I don't think we should just do plain plywood though.
No. Okay, so now, hold that. I don't know how we're gonna do the other side.
We gotta wait for this to dry, I guess.
Yeah, I don't want to waste all that stuff. So we could, I don't know. Looks good though.
I could
And there you have it. We put it on in. All cured up. Fits in there nice. Now we have a rear floor. We'll probably do the transom next, and this just pops in and out too. Just comes in and out. But yeah, so we'll do the transom next. Get that pretty secure. I mean, it's rotted over there, but it ain't that bad. All right, everyone. So there you go. That's the Duranautic right there. New floor put in, and we'll probably be working on that transom soon enough. All right, keep on watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Thanks again, everyone. Bye.